वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ मजे की लिक्विड बबल बनाने की रेसिपी। Ingredients we required to make a perfect bubble liquid are half cup of hot water. Make sure to use hot water under the supernatant of grown up. So we need half cup of hot water, 1 cup of room temperature water, half cup liquid dishwash and 2 tablespoon of sugar. सबसे पहले हम ऐड करेंगे शुगर को हॉट वाटर के साथ. Make sure to take help from the grown-ups. And I will add the sugar. I'm adding the sugar in the hot water. Carefully. Under the supervision of grown-ups. Because the water is very hot. We have to mix it well. So there remains no grain of sugar. Well, mix. Now add 2 temperature water and the sugar mixture. Now add liquid dishwash and the sugar and water mixture. Now mix. Now time to test our liquid. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with another amazing video for you. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.